Hi guys, thanks for joining us for our in-store demo of the PV-NB10W LawMate binder. I just wanted to show you guys what it was capable of, give you guys a bit of audio and video to relate it to, and show you how it functions in a real world environment. So at the moment I'm standing about half a metre from it in our showroom here. What I'm going to do is step back to our furthest distance, which is about 2.5 metres with our little showroom, and show you what's capable of doing at that distance as well. So as you can see guys, it's got a pretty wide angle lens and you're able to capture audio over a pretty great range. Combine that with the time and the date stamping, the accuracy of the audio and video, and you've got a device that I think should be top of your wish list if it needs to have some in-home security, or you want to have something that you can conceal in your office quite discreetly. Thanks for joining us guys. As always, please check out our website www.thespystore.com.au, shoot us an email or give us a call if you have any questions, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now.